It's 2025. The rules have changed. Artificial intelligence, social media, and online markets are moving faster than ever. The question is, can you take just $500 and turn it into $100,000 in 6 months? The answer is yes, but only if you know exactly where to put your time, energy, and cash. This is your blueprint. You're not going to do this by saving. You're going to do it by flipping, scaling, and reinvesting like your life depends on it. No Netflix, no lazy weekends. Every single hour you put in compounds your results. Pick a niche. Use artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT and Canva to create daily TikToks, YouTube Shorts, and Reels. Create a $19 to $99 product, a guide, template, or mini course, and sell it via Gumroad or Shopify. Invest $200 in tools, $300 in targeted ads to push your best video. A single viral hit can generate thousands. Find trending products on TikTok Creative Center or Amazon Movers and Shakers. Order $200 in inventory from a local wholesaler or AliExpress. Post 3 to 5 videos a day showing the product in action. When a hit emerges, use your remaining budget for TikTok or Instagram ads to scale sales. Trading offers fast growth but high risk. Focus on volatility in crypto, stocks, or options. Practice with $100 in paper trading, then commit $400 once you have a proven strategy. Target 20 to 50% moves and compound your winnings. Reinvest everything for 6 months. $1,000 by month 1, put it into ads or more stock. $10,000 by month 3, automate content and scale. Double down on your proven winner to hit 6 figures. This is how you turn $500 into $100,000 in 6 months. The blueprint is in your hands. Now go make it happen.